I'm Elle Rottinghouse with Zips. When needing to remove and replace wheels on a commercial truck, are you concerned about getting the right amount of torque so as to not risk the wheels coming loose? Because if you don't, you should. You and your business take on significant liability if a wheel is not torqued properly. When a commercial truck tire is installed, there's a very specific amount of torque that must be applied to each lug nut. If this is not done accurately, the results could be catastrophic and even fatal. Wheels coming off moving trucks is terribly dangerous and all too common. Limit your liability from a loose wheel or improperly assembled machinery by using the TorcUP electric torque wrench. It's a battery-operated device that will lighten your workload. No cumbersome hoses or air compressor needed. This is the Volta VT Series, and with it, you can achieve the highest degree of precision possible by using the arrows to set the electric wrench to the exact torque specification needed. Depending on the model, the torque settings range from 120 feet per pound to 3,000 feet per pound. If you want to switch the reading between standard and metric, press both arrows simultaneously. The TorcUP wrench spins slowly and deliberately, stopping automatically when the desired torque setting is achieved. The reaction bar provides increased leverage, making it easy to remove or tighten truck wheels. Stop using the loud and heavy air impact wrenches that make your job a guessing game. The TorcUP wrench tightens a nut to the proper setting in one step and can loosen extremely tight fasteners. Think about it. A runaway wheel is anywhere between 100 to 200 pounds, traveling at high speed, bouncing uncontrollably, and colliding with unsuspecting victims. Accurately torquing the wheel fasteners or rotator turntable, for example, could be the difference between life and death. The TorcUP electric torque wrench will not only make your life easier, but give you the assurance that the job was completed to the most accurate degree possible. Each kit includes a 13-month warranty in addition to the electric torque wrench, 2 18-volt lithium batteries, a battery charger, and a standard torque reaction arm, stored inside a padded carrying case. Various reaction or torque arms are available for purchase. Fully charged, each battery can last up to 300 nut drives and be recharged in less than 45 minutes. Find this under Shop Tools on zips.com.